Turn setbacks into comebacks. Turn setbacks into comebacks. Setbacks can feel devastating. They hit hard and leave scars. But what if these moments of struggle are actually the seeds of our greatest comebacks? Resilience is the magic ingredient that transforms failure into strength. Think about it. Every successful person has faced rejection, loss, or disappointment. It's how they responded that made the difference. Imagine a world-class athlete. After a serious injury, they could have given up. Instead, they train harder, pushing through pain and doubt. Each setback becomes a lesson, each failure a stepping stone. This is the power of resilience. It fuels growth and ignites determination. Research shows that resilient individuals are more adaptable. They embrace change and see challenges as opportunities. This mindset shifts everything. When faced with obstacles, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How can I grow? The journey to resilience isn't easy. It requires courage and patience. But with every struggle, the path to comeback becomes clearer. Embrace setbacks as part of the journey. They are not the end. They are the beginning of something greater. Resilience transforms pain into purpose, leading to incredible achievements. Turn setbacks into comebacks is a life philosophy that teaches you to embrace challenges and difficulties as opportunities for growth. Instead of seeing obstacles as insurmountable barriers, this approach encourages reconfiguring perspective. A setback can be the beginning of a major transformation. Moments of difficulty, which at first glance seem like defeats, can be catalysts for change. It is often in adversity that we discover our true strength and creativity. By facing a setback with courage and resilience, you can turn a negative situation into an opportunity to innovate, change direction, or learn something valuable. Turnarounds come when you refuse to give up, when you find new solutions and grow from what seemed like a loss. Every setback, no matter how painful, carries the seed of a turnaround. The secret is to keep your eyes focused on the future, with the conviction that it is possible to transform any situation into a new starting point.